Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. All right. I had a good time at church. And not only that, though. Excuse me a minute. All right. So, I want to apologize to my viewers about earlier today because I wanted to film the whole church service, and apologize to my people that's watching. You know who you are. Even though you're not at church, I just wanted y'all to see the service, to my people that miss church, Okay, so I also want to apologize to my viewers. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, the viewers that's been watching me for a while on my Facebook friend list. If you're watching me on YouTube, y'all not gonna see the full service, but I apologize for the inconvenience because my phone was getting ready to die. Oh, look at this. This is yeah. I'm watching the Saints. So 33-14. Okay, my family love the Saints. So uh, all right. I think it was last Sunday or Sunday before last that Malia and her mom Samara went to the Saints game. Oh, look. Well, never mind that. All right. So if they upload it to YouTube, y'all will see because they have past games on YouTube too. For the NFL. All right. So anyway, I want to apologize for the inconvenience, and I told y'all I had to stop my live stream and stuff like that. You know, it ain't complete pass. All right, I'm back home right now after going to Randy's house and stuff like that. So so anyway, I do would like to apologize to my people that's watching my show right now. If you're watching me on Facebook Live, you know who you are. Okay, I want to apologize to you too for me stopping the video in the middle of service and stuff like that. Like to apologize to my pastor for leaving out of church because my phone was about to die. I wish I would have stood, but unfortunately, my phone was about to die. Okay. At least I caught the choir selection and everything else. But on that note, I want to apologize to other people. Okay. All right. 33-14, and 3 minutes left. And I'm sorry. I see that it would have been an interception. You know. So I'm sorry, y'all. Something wrong. If my video stopped for some reason, if it skipped, I apologize for that. Okay. I really don't know what's wrong though. I don't know if it's this phone or what. You know. All right. So all right then. It's third down. Okay. What happens with fourth down? Fourth down. I guess that's the last down. I guess if it's fourth down, then it'll probably be the y'all want to watch it with me? Well, the, it's first down right there, first and goal. But I don't think that's gonna do any good. I don't think that's gonna do any good though. You know. So by them scoring and stuff like that, and will it be a well, that would have been a touchdown or a touchback. I don't know. So that was an incomplete pass. So all right. So anyway, they had stopped the clock though. Okay, they had stopped the clock at 2 minutes 55 seconds. They about to play. What's gonna happen now? Okay, second and goal. Let's see. All right, that's a touchdown. Seahawks touchdown. Well, but unfortunately for them, they still behind. And 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 2 minutes and 48 seconds to spare. So we'll have to see how that's gonna go down. So that's gonna be another kick, I guess. Okay. All right. So I don't really watch football. You know. So no offense to Saints fans. But I'm not a football fan myself. All right. So done doing a little Facebook live vlog and stuff like that. Hmm. Yep. So so anyway, all right. So anyway, what I want to talk about is I remember some folks had made a video on YouTube talking about the Saints going to the Super Bowl. Well, guess what? That time the Saints did go to the Super Bowl. That time. And plus I ain't even watched the Super Bowl, to be honest with y'all. I mean, this my first time in 3 or 4 years watching the Saints game. Okay, so I mean I'm only in the football on video games. Is the kickoff? The kickoff? Y'all want to see the kickoff with me? Oh, that's a fall. That's a fall. Well, all right. So well, I think about it, y'all. I'm just Tampa Bay and New York Giants. Hmm. Tampa Bay Buccaneers and the New York Giants. Well, did well that must be on Fox or something, but that's on Fox. So they were showing a clip of that. So as y'all know, it's on CBS. The Saints and the versus the Seahawks. So hopefully next month I'll probably have a pizza party. I don't know. I'm not certain yet. Okay. So y'all can watch whatever. So it's down to 2 minutes and they count down the clock. Second down. So what I want to tell y'all, you win some, you lose some. You live to fight off another day. Because losing is not a big deal. Your football team don't go to the Super Bowl, then that's all right though. There's always next year or whatever. So a strange strategy. Better cut that out. Hmm. Well, who cares? You know. All right, NFL. So I don't know. Okay, so I mean, they should have threw the ball. What kind of strategy is that? I don't know. All right. So, like I said, it's all right for you to support a team or whatever, but hating on somebody that ain't right. Ain't no haters over here. You know, ain't no haters. No more of that. No more of that. Hmm. Yeah, like I said, so support your team. I don't care what team you support. You could support President Trump. That wouldn't bother me one bit. If you wear that hat, "Make America Great Again" hat, that ain't gonna bother me one bit. It bothers some people. I remember some guy in the store was very upset, screaming at this guy for wearing a America. I'm gonna say "Make America Great" hat. So like I said, you have a right to wear a hat like that. So you wear something like that, that's your business. Don't bother me. Huh. I'm not. I don't support no politicians. None. I'm sorry to say. So I like Obama, but I ain't support him. You know, no offense though. So I mean, I like former President Obama. But I ain't support him though because I don't I'm not into no politics. Hmm. So Republican, Democrat, whatever. Hmm. I don't know why I'm talking about this. I don't know why I'm talking about that. Oh well, never mind all that. Okay. Good night.